Okay, so now we're going to go back to card. I promised I would cover a little bit more card strategy as well in 2026 for those of you building uh, digital agencies, design studios, etc. Here's actually what I would recommend if you're literally just getting started now and want a simple, easy, no stress, no mess way of selling services to folks like me, right? So here's a very, very simple one page link in bio style landing page built on card. It's a template you can see as you just did inside my own account. So you can just copy this multiple times and edit it. You can literally make changes so damn quickly that it would take me if I really want it's 250 right now, 253 on this on December 31st, New Year's Eve. If I wanted actually to customize this for myself. I mean, my name is Ian. This is actually, my intro. But if I wanted to like really just like add my own, content, right? So this was all, you know, customized for me with these exact prompts. I could change some of the labels if I wanted, right? Just like this. This would take literally 10 minutes. I could change the newsletter form from, let's say, MailChimp, which is now, to Ghost. By the way, if you want to see a cool Ghost membership site that we're building for 2026, go to trippytherapy.com. That's live now. And essentially, this is all you need to do. You don't even need necessarily the shop links and all that stuff, but they're available, right? So you can actually build a shop for your customer as well. Again, this would literally take a few minutes of your time. You could even like do this for a prospective client before they're even a client and say, "Hey, Ian, I noticed on Instagram you don't have a landing page of your own, or you're using link in bio or Linktree or something like that. I'd like to offer you a landing page built that I'll build for you. I can have it done for you in 3 days. This is generally what it'll look like. I actually took the liberty of customizing your content a little bit predicated on what I've seen of your stuff. No worries if you're not interested, but I thought I'd give you a sense of what my design would look like intersecting with your ideas, your store, your products, your work, etc. All right, that's it. And then you have a single page that you could sell for, let's say, $300 for the year, which is what, $20 a month or something like that for folks who are interested in like recurring revenue, or $25 a month, or just selling it for $300 or $500 or whatever it may be. And you have a standalone offer that has real value to someone who really needs it, right? If you're using link in bio,